why we need to know. It's about the whole picture of the garment. So it's about before the garment was created, so the whole story about how the garment came to be. It's about the user phase, so while the customer is wearing it, washing it, caring for it, you know, putting potentially chemicals onto it, whether that's through their deodorant or through their laundry powder, whatever it might be. And then finally, the afterlife. So what do we do in the disposal phase? How does the garment actually either be recycled or break down easily, or can it not? So I think that's why it's important to know what's in our clothes. It's a huge topic that includes, you know, people, the environment, animals, so many things. And I'm a huge believer in looking at that whole picture, designing with the end in mind. So before we even think about what materials we're going to use, we're thinking about what is the purpose of this garment, and then we look at what's going to happen to it at the end of its life, and then we kind of work backwards from there to figure out what materials are going to go into that so that it can be a fully circular garment and not be wasted and never go to landfill no matter what.